of the things that was important to us, we knew we were up for a significant investment. Up until the time we met Talius, a lot of the operators we were vetting seemed to be just supplying a one-to-one replacement for what we already had. For us, as a smaller not-for-profit, this was a one-time investment that we were really wanting to see it through for 10, 15 years. We were looking for a product that could leverage the infrastructure and provide other functionality. Now, we found that with Talius, particularly when they started talking about their real-time location services. But ultimately, I wanted to make sure we were partnering with somebody that also wanted to see residents age with dignity. I think that there's ways that I can apply my learnings in technology to make a more dignified aging experience for the resident. And when I heard that, I knew this is the partner for us. There's an alignment here. And you'll start to see that as we talk about some of the solutions that Talius has now paired, where they've branched from being a distress call system into offering a lot more visibility over care. Each of those visibility points, it's not just speaking to compliance, it's speaking with how can we actually help this human being age with dignity, the way that you and I want to.